In this video, we will see how to use the extract text component. Whenever you download any file by using the download from S3 component, the file stored on Amazon S3 bucket is downloaded to the Pipeline Builder environment, and then you can extract the file content by using the extract text component. In the Pipeline Builder, drag the extract text component. Here, you can provide the file path of the file that you downloaded by using the download from S3 component, and then the extract text component extracts the text from that file and stores the result in some variable. You can use session to make that extracted text available for further processing. For the sake of tutorial, I created a pipeline. Here, I use the download from S3 component to download the job description file from the JD URL variable. In the path variable of download from S3, I am collecting the result.file_path value, which is a file path of the job description file. Then, I am using the extract text component and using path as the input and extracting text from the file. In the extracted_JD variable, I am using session here as I need this extracted job description for further processing.